Hi everyone, welcome back to Amaze Math. From the title, we'll be looking at area of circles today. So let's start off with the formula. So this one is called the diameter. And then from the center of the circle to any point of the circumference, it's called radius. So this is diameter. So we can say diameter will be twice of the radius. Like 2 of this will give us diameter, and then radius will be, if you have the diameter, you divide it by 2. So the area of a circle, the formula will be pi times r squared. So keep that in mind. So we do pi times the radius squared. Now let's look at some examples. Number 1, calculate the area correct to 1 decimal place. And if you want to learn how to round off to decimal place or significant figures, I'll link in another video that I created some time back. So you can watch the video on how to round off. So we start with this one. So area equals to pi r squared. So pi times the radius is 1.5 squared, and you can use the calculator. So when you're using the calculator, you press shift and this sign, the pi sign, times 1.5 squared, and we get 7.0. So to 1 dp, that would be, this one is more than 5, so this one would round up to 1. So 7.1 meters squared. Okay, the second one we have, now this one is the diameter. So to find the radius, we'll take the diameter and divide it by 2. So the radius will be 7. So area would be pi r squared. So pi times 7 squared. So here I don't need to delete everything. I'll just use the replay button. I'll delete that, delete the decimal, and delete the 1. So now you just replace it with 7. So to 1 dp, that would be, this one is less than 5, so this one will remain the same way. So 153.9, and this one is centimeter squared. Okay, number 2, calculate the area, leave answer in terms of pi. So area equals to pi r squared. So area will be pi. We don't have to use the calculator for this one because you're leaving your answer as pi. So pi times 2 squared. So that would be 4 pi, and you put centimeter squared. The next one, we need to find the radius. So the radius will be 18 divided by 2 is 9, and then area equals to pi r squared equals to pi times 9 squared, and that would be 81 pi centimeter squared. Okay, number 3, find the size of radius. Give your answer to 2 significant figures. So here we know that area equals to pi r squared. So it's good you always write the formula. Now we can do substitution. The area is 25, and then we have pi times r squared. We don't know what is r. We are trying to find r. So to get rid of the pi, divide both sides by pi. So you can use the calculator. So 25 divided by pi. So I can start with this side. So r squared is the same as 7.9577471155. So to find the radius alone, we'll square root the answer. So on your calculator, you just press square root, and answer equals to 2. So you need to leave the answer in 2 significant figures. So you can check the video on accuracy. I've done the rounding off to 1 dp, 2 dp significant figures as well. So two significant figures will be 1, 2. The next number is less than 5, so it will remain as 2.8. So the radius will be 2.8 centimeter. Okay, find the radius as well. So area equals to pi r squared. The area is 36 pi. So substitution, and then we have pi times r squared. Divide both sides by pi to get rid of the pi, and you're left with, so this pi and that one would cancel, and you're left with r squared equals to 36. The opposite of squared is square root. So we do the square root of 36 is 6 centimeter is the radius. Okay, number 4, find the area of the semicircle. Give your answer in terms of pi. Okay, so that's the semicircle. So a semicircle is half of a circle. So the area of a circle is pi r squared. So semicircle will just be divided by 2 because it's half of a circle. Okay, so area equals to pi times, so this is the diameter. Diameter is 16. Radius will be 16 divided by 2, which is 8. So times 8 squared or divided by 2. And you're leaving your answer as pi. So 8 squared is the same as, so pi times 64 divided by 2. You can cancel 2 and 64, 32 times. So the answer would be 32 pi centimeter squared. Number 5, find the shaded area. Leave your answer as a multiple of pi. So the shaded region is this part. It looks like a donut. So we need to find the area of the big circle. And area of the big circle, the radius will be from here. Let me do it on this side. From here to here is 3. And then from here to here is 2. So meaning the whole thing, the radius would be 5 centimeter. So big circle, pi r squared, pi times r squared is 5 squared. So this one will be 25 pi. And then the small circle, the radius is 3. So pi r squared equals to pi times 3 squared. 3 squared is 9 pi. So to find the area of the shaded part, you do, so shaded area equals to big circle minus the small circle. So 25 minus 19, that would be 16. And then say 16 pi centimeter squared. So this shape you're given, it's a quarter of a circle. And then we have a triangle here, and then you have the shaded part. So we need to find the area of the shaded part. So we find the area of quarter circle minus area of triangle. Okay, O is the center, so meaning even this side would be 4.8. Now let's start with the area of the quarter circle. So quarter circle will be a quarter pi r squared. So it's basically the area of a circle divided by 4 because it's quarter of a circle. And therefore here we get, so a quarter times pi times the radius is 4.8 and then squared. So we do pi times 4.8, pi times 4.8 squared divided by 4. So here we get 18.0955. And then the area of the triangle, so the formula is base times height divided by 2. So this can be base and this one will be height. So 4.8 times 4.8 divided by 2. So So basically 4.8 squared divided by 2, so 11.52. So now the shaded part will be the area of the quarter circle minus this. So we do 18.0955 minus 11.52. So here I'll just put 18.0955 minus the answer 6.5755. But now you want it correct to 3 significant figures. So significant figure, you count from here 1, 2, 3. So the next number is 5. So this number would round up 6.58 centimeters squared. Now the last question we have, this one is 3/4 of a circle, so we can say the area would be 3/4 then pi r squared. So the radius is 7, so we can do 3/4 times pi times 7 squared. Now 3/4 is the same as 0.75 times pi times 7 squared. So the answer would be 115. We can do to 2 decimal places, so it will be 0.45 centimeter squared. So that will mark the end of our lesson today. I hope you've enjoyed it and I hope you've understood the topic. So memorize the formula and make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know which other topic you want to see next. So thank you. Bye bye.